In this guide, we are going over how you can become a vampire here in Bizarre Lineage on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But Vampire is one of the strongest sub-abilities in the entire game, giving you attacks that freeze enemies, stun them, drain their health. But obviously first you are going to have to get the Stone Mask, and you can get this for 5,350 cash just by purchasing it. Or you can also get it as a random drop from chests. So there's two main ways to do it. But once you have it, go ahead and open up your inventory and find the mask and then just use it by selecting it and then hitting use just like so. And you'll immediately turn into a vampire. Now at this point, you're the vampire, but you're not going to have the full moveset yet. To unlock all the abilities, you have to complete the Elder Vampire questline. So go to bus stop 18, which I'm already at, and head to the Graveyard Cathedral over here. You're going to find the Elder Vampire NPC, talk to him, and start a quest called An Ancient Evil. And during this questline, you have to collect 6 skulls, 6 bones, and 6 gold coins. And then you also have to defeat a Hammond Apprentice and Hammond Master, all of which can be found to the other direction of bus stop 18, apart from the cathedral. So like, if you're at the cathedral right now, go straight down the other way, and you'll find these guys. You also have to complete a world event, win 2 1v1 fights. You have to defeat Muhammad and, of course, Jotaro. You have to defeat 30 civilians and finally Dio as well. And after completing all of those steps, all you have to do is just talk to the Elder Vampire again to unlock the full vampire moveset, which includes Space Ripper Stingy Eyes, Leeching Terror, and Flash Freeze. It's by far one of the strongest sub-abilities in the entire game and worth getting. If you did have any questions though, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.